if your eye will already. And I don't know.
What you say?
The water is very clean. Yeah.
Wow.
From your eyes, look at the water after. Kana yang mata yung problemahan na. Pwede mo siya.
Only one.
Only one. Only one eye. For the third time. Karon ba ganyan ni ibalag?
Saan ninyo?
Sa Larina, ang kaon mo siya. Ngita man siya. Katabang ko na siya yung mata, kisay matambang. Kinahanglan kag bulo-bulo. For the fourth time.
So, finish.
Not yet. Until the water becomes normal. You can see already?
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Wow,
What is this?
very dirty.
Why?
I don't know. How many years you suffered that one?
53, 54.
And how old are you now?
Gamay ra.
Bagi liso dyan ng tubig anang tawong
Gasugo ka tag.
kan balulo. Wa joy agi-agi ng tubig.
Wala. Mao nang hingkwan bet ako sa binig mo gahapon dai. Mana.
Clean?
Clean already.
Tanan na mong lawas.
And do more.
Now yung te.
What now?
Now tita.
Now picture.
What kanan.
Now switched. Okay. What is this?
Na?
Why?
Yeah. In our language, that is what we call buyag-buyag. That is not good.
It's not good?
That is not good. It will not remove